The word attitude, abhiman, mentality, way of thinking, way of feeling. Because your way of thinking and your way of feeling is a way of seeing and the way of speaking. The way you think about yourself and others, and the way you feel about yourself and others, is the way you see others, and the way you treat others, and the way you speak to others. So that foundational point, beginning point of our social intercourse in this world with others is based on attitude. And the whole idea of Bhakti Bhajan is a reformation and transformation and elevation of one's attitude. Bhava Grahi Janardhan. Bhava Grahi Janardhan means that Janardhan, Ardhan means worship. That personality, that jana, that personality is worshipable and worshipable and worshipped by everyone, all over the universe and all over creation. Krishna, Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Bhava Grahi Janardhan. Grahi means the sar, the essence. Krishna accepts the essence of the bhakta. It's not about money, it's not about tapa, it's not about sankhya, it's not about, sankhya means 3 million rounds and one chickpea a day, all these things. It's about bhav. Bhav you are, bhav you become, and bhav is tested at the time of death. So it's about the bhav of devotion, attitude.